My name is Martin Burscher, and I'm the Technical Director and Authorized Signatory of trade-e-bility GmbH. You do not know whether your non-food products comply with the legal requirements of the EU or how to proceed here? Do you have inquiries about the market conformity of your products from customers, from online marketplaces, from authorities or warning lawyers? Or are you a trader and would like to efficiently fulfill your legal required control obligations? Then trade-e-bility is the right place for you. We solve your problems, market-oriented and economically. Test us and tell us your problem. We offer risk-based solutions that are tailored to your individual needs without the cost clock ticking. You can rely on it because trade-e-bility has particularly cost-efficient solutions, since we are not dependent on any testing institute. We go even further. You can bet that we will find a compliance gap on your online store. If not, you get our store compliance service free of charge. So, trade-e-bility could be your personal quality manager for your non-food products. We help to ensure you the marketability of your products, to prepare for the EU Declaration of Conformity, the labelling requirements, to prepare risk analysis, to carry out inspections and audits, and to find the right laboratory for your product testing. And if your goods get stuck in customs, we can help you with our emergency service. Before you yourself fail due to the jungle of regulations, trade-e-bility has already solved your problem. The best way to try us out is to call us directly. My team and I look forward to hearing from you.